Today is an absolutely beautiful day and I'm in the sugar bush and we're collecting some sap. But I wanted to make a quick video just to talk to you guys about what the plans for the homestead are this year, because it's important to set goals. And one of the things I end up doing is I start a project and I don't always get time to finish it. And then next thing you know, you got a bunch of projects that you don't have done. So I am guilty of that. And this year I'm thinking, we're going to try to finish off a lot of these projects and try to do them just a bit better. So my goal for the homestead this year is to make a little bit of money. So basically the sheep yard is almost done. It really is close and we're going to get sheep. And I would like to have our chance of getting our own meat here. The next thing is the bees. The bees has been a struggle for years, but this year 2 of the 3 survived. So we're going to do what we have to do to try to make a little bit of money with the bees. The chickens, I tell you, I feed them more than what I am getting out of them. So I really need to do a little bit of a shuffle in the chicken coop, do things a little bit differently and try to change up the feed or whatever I got to do to try to make a little bit more money on the eggs and have good quality eggs. The next thing is our greenhouse. I have to do my seed starting, which I'm already a little late, but get my seeds started to get the greenhouse up and running and get the garden planted. Because some of it is you want to make money, but sometimes you want to just have a little bit of sweat equity and kind of some of the work you've done that you can actually put some food away. So these are the things I'm planning on working at. So I'm not planning to start any big projects, but there's going to be a lot of little things I'm going to try to finish up and try to make the homestead more profitable. So that is the goal for this year, is actually making the homestead just make a little bit of money and make a bunch of videos along the way. So that's about enough for today. You guys have a good one.